Why Quanta Books is ideal for bookkeeping and accounting offices. Quanta Books isn't just for individuals, it's a powerful and time-saving solution for bookkeeping and accounting. Professionals who want to streamline operations and deliver more value with less effort. Accounting offices love it because Quanta offers AI-driven automation that handles categorization, calculations and data entry, freeing up your team from repetitive tasks so you can focus on advisory services. It also provides clean, real-time data, allowing clients to input transactions easily while you receive structured and up-to-date information instantly. No more chasing receipts or untangling spreadsheets. With a client-friendly interface, even the most non-financial clients can use Quanta Books effortlessly, resulting in fewer errors, fewer questions, and faster reconciliation. It also supports multi-client management, enabling you to track multiple clients' finances under one system with clear dashboards and secure access controls. Thanks to built-in smart checks and balances, it eliminates manual errors so you'll never deal with messy ledgers, miskeys, or overlooked transactions. As a result, you increase efficiency by reducing data entry time, improving accuracy, and spending more time on strategic analysis and client service. Quanta Books gives bookkeeping and accounting offices a modern and intelligent tool that makes client collaboration easier, data cleaner, and processes faster, all while maintaining the highest standards of privacy and security. It's not just an accounting app, it's a game changer for your practice.
Thanks for listening. We're here to make accounting easier every day.